Hello friends, welcome to Omairaas Wonderworld. Hope you all are doing well. Today we have got part 3 of the Maldives series for you all. In this video we are going to give you a peek into Omaira's fun days at Radissonblumaldives. Scrumptious meals, enjoyment at the private pools, exciting visit to the kids club and some shopping at the souvenir store. So let's start. Enjoy the video friends. Hearty, exciting and flavorful dishes with the most beautiful views of the sea sums up our everyday buffet breakfast at Raha.
Shoot?
Yeah, I'm shooting.
Yeah. I wash my feet when you're working.
You washed your feet or your Crocs?
No, my feet, not my Crocs. Because Nanny is saying if I wash my Crocs, then they'll get wet and I won't be able to wear them.
Okay.
And I wash my feet here.
You wash your feet here? What a beautiful sunset, Omaira. Yeah.
Okay.
Dekhe niche. Be careful.
Mama, I can't see those. Hang on.
What happened?
Oh, there is a creature, Mama.
I'm so sorry. There are creatures everywhere, baby. Don't you think that you're feeding the fishes a bit too much? All the Maldivian fishes are going to thank you, but they are going to be very fat once you leave, right? Okay. You like feeding the fishes? Enjoy.
I want to be a fish feeder when I grow up. Feeder.
You want to be a fish feeder when you grow up? Okay, that's so nice, Omaira. Which fishes you want to feed?
Sharks, whales, fishes.
All the fishes? You love fishes?
Whatever fish comes.
Yeah, really?
Stingrays.
Stingray? How are you liking this place? Do you like this place? You love it?
And look, the lights which I got at home.
Yeah, you have it at home in your room, right?
Well, now they don't work actually because I thrown them away.
You love Maldives? You want to come here again? Alright. Are you enjoying the dinner? Hello. Feeding the fishes? You fed all the Maldivian fishes a bit too much. They're sleepy now because you fed them too much. That's why they're sleepy now.
Yeah, they themselves.
Yeah, they keep.
They have become lazy.
Yeah,
Yeah, because you fed them.
too much. Yes. Yes. Are you enjoying the trip?
Yes, Maldives.
Yes. Here's Nani. Hello, Nanu and Omaira. You want floating breakfast? Okay.
Tomorrow we are going to have floating breakfast. After Nanu and Omaira will go to the pool.
Okay. Enjoy.
But this is more fun.
So friends, hope you liked the video. Do not forget to follow Omairaas Wonderworld on Facebook and Instagram. Please do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you're new here and like the content. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.